In this lecture, I am going to give you the details about Angular messages, and I am going to explain these Angular messages with very good example. In the our lecture number 8, we learned about the form validation, and in here also I have implemented some form validation. And this is for an email. I have used ng-show for a div. Is there any error? Just show this div, and I have used another show. If there's a required error, just show. If there's email error, just show this div. If there's min length, just show this div. We will run this one and see how this is working. Yes, email is required. That error appears, and I'll update this one and see what's happening. Yes, you can see the balance. Both errors are come at the same time. I don't have any control here to control at least the one by one error display, and for that we have to use the Angular messages. Actually, a Angular message is separate class. We need to import that class. We will search, that's Angular messages. Yes, Angular messages. I'm going to import this Angular message into my project script and src. Yes, I have imported this Angular message into my project. Now I need to inject this Angular message into my Angular application. I'm going to the Angular application and write ng messages. I have inject Angular message into my Angular application messages, and now I'm going to the index.html. Now I am going to replace this ng-show from ng messages. Actually, in the ng message, the Angular message has two properties. One is ng messages, the other one is ng message. Actually, a combination of ng message is ng messages. We will see how this one works. This is ng messages, and it has combination of ng message. I'll rename this ng-show into ng message, and actually I have declared ng messages with this the error, and for the sub ng message I do not want to use these things. I'll remove because it's in the ng messages, and we will run this one and see how this one works. Now you can see email required comes. I'll type something. Yes, only one error message is coming, and we will see. I'll increase this minimum length into 15, and I'll write email as ser@ser.com, and yes, minimum length error. Yes, minimum length error comes. Because the minimum length I have measured 15, but in here there's no 15. You can see ng messages is controlling how many messages I want to display. The default is 1 at a time, and if you want to display more messages, just you want to use ng messages multiple That's how we are going to display multiple messages at the same time. We will see. Yes, you can see multiple messages at ser. Yes, you can see multiple messages. When it's available, it shows all the messages. I think now you have a good idea about how ng messages and ng message works, and you can use these things in your project according to the requirement.